Allison and welcome back to my channel, MaddCrafty. Today is day 12 of 25 days of holiday crafts. And today we're making these Dollar Tree trees. So I've only ever seen one size of styrofoam cones at the Dollar Tree, but at Michael's they have bigger ones, so you can make this whatever size you want. I made this for $5. Let me show you how I did it. Here are the ornaments I used. Each set comes with 15, and you're gonna need 3 sets to complete one small tree. So I have my cone and my first ornament. When you are gluing these on the bottom, you want to make sure that that little edge is facing down and not facing out because it doesn't really look good. Then hot glue the rest of the ornaments in the same direction for the bottom layer. So you're gluing the ornaments to the cone, but you also want to glue the ornaments to each other. When you get to your second layer, before you glue your ornament on, you want to kind of sit it on top of the first layer to see how it fits best on your cone. So do that first and then continue gluing all the way around again. Make your way all the way up and then add one more ornament at the very top sitting on the surface of the cone. Basically keep going up until there's just one ornament at the very top. Now I'm taking some tinsel that I got at the Dollar Tree and I am cutting off little bits of it and kind of rolling them in balls and gluing them in all the exposed areas where you can still see the styrofoam cone. I like to keep it just silver and white, but this is the part where if you want to go crazy and get rainbow colors or all different kinds of tinsel, I think it would look really cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more crafts. You can find me at MaddCrafty on Instagram or email me at info@maddcrafty.com so I can see your trees. Later!